You need a tea spray that will help to strengthen your hair, condition your hair, help you for length retention, grow your hair longer and fuller, stop hair breakage and also hair shedding. Like this tea spray I'm about to share with you will help you to achieve those. It will help to regrow your hair in crown section, thicken up your edges, condition your hair, stop hair breakage and hair shedding, and also promote longer healthy hair growth. It's only about 3 ingredients, but they are very powerful and potent. So let's go and make this powerful tea spray. To prepare this powerful tea spray, our first ingredient is fresh moringa leaf. So this is how moringa leaf is looking like. I just plug it and I'm going to remove it from the stem. Moringa contains vitamins, mineral and fatty acid that nourish hair follicles and promote healthy hair growth. Moringa contains zinc, iron and calcium, which can help strengthen hair and prevent split end. Moringa contains antioxidants that can protect hair from damage by free radical and oxidative stress. Moringa contains omega-3, which can help retain moisture in the hair. Moringa contains biotin, which can help increase the oxygen supply to the hair, to the scalp and hair. So after plugging my moringa, and also this is what I got so far, I've go off camera to wash it. So by the measurement, I'm using 1 full hand of moringa. So I've transferred it into my pot. Moving on to my second ingredient is black seed. Black seed help moisturize your hair and scalp. It also helps to strengthen your scalp and hair loss and reduce hair fall by up to 76%. It also enhance hair growth, increase hair density. So I'm going to make use of 1 tablespoon of my black seed. Our last ingredient is fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed are rich in source of iron and protein, have nutrients for hair growth, provide moisture, strengthen hair growth, strengthen hair and soften the overall texture, fight dandruff, prevent hair loss and enhance hair shining, promote scalp healthy. So I also make use of 1 tablespoon of my fenugreek seed. So next thing, I pour in water so that I can boil this. Okay, so I just put a water that I know that is enough to boil this, and also I can also have a good tea after boiling it. Keep on watching to see the best way to use this tea spray to grow your hair, to condition your hair and also retain length retention. If you not watch the video to the end, you will not get the benefit. So watch the video to the end so that you get all the instruction how to use the tea for best results. So I will boil the tea off camera. I boiled this tea only about 10 minutes. Once it's 10 minutes mark, I'll bring it down, but do not boil it on a high heat. Okay, make sure that your heat is not that too high. So after boiling it, I bring it down and also I like to cool down like extra 5 hours so that can release more nutrients. Can still keep it overnight. Okay, so next thing, I bring my bowl and my shifter to shifter this to collect my tea spray. This tea spray, like as I said earlier, this tea spray will help to strengthen your hair, promote long hair growth, condition your hair, stop hair breakage, moisturize your hair, stop hair shedding, and also this tea spray is guarantee of faster hair growth. This tea spray is guarantee of length retention, because if your hair stop breaking, definitely you're going to have length retention. Okay, and also if your hair is conditioned, definitely your hair will not be breaking or shedding excessively, because when your hair is not conditioned or moisturized, you're going to lead to breakage and shedding, excessive shedding. So using this tea spray will really grow your hair. So I'll just transfer it into my applicator bottle for easy application. So this is the stage of my hair. This is how my hair is looking like. So we are going to use this tea spray. I'll show you how to use this tea spray for massive hair growth, for extreme hair growth and super faster hair growth. First thing, I'll be using this tea spray on my fresh wash hair. My hair is super clean. If you want to get the good benefit of this tea spray, if you are using it as a leave-in condition, please make sure you apply it on a clean hair. It really helps a lot, because when your scalp and your hair is clean, it will help the product to penetrate very well on your hair. Please, if you want to make use of this tea spray, make sure you shampoo your hair. Make sure your your hair is in a good stage of cleanness before you can use DT spray for you to get the best results. So focus DT spray on your scalp and also on the strands of your hair. DT spray will help a lot condition your hair, reduce hair shedding, speed up your hair growth, and also help you for length retention. Apply it all over your hair, okay? Applying it generously all over your hair. Using it as a leave-in condition is the best way to get best results on DT spray. Please, DT spray, do not wash it out. If you want to see the best results or using DT spray, you don't need to wash DT spray out. Just allow DT spray to sit on your hair and do what it's supposed to do on your hair. So use DT spray 3 times in a week, okay? And if you are washing your hair every week, after using it that 3 times in a week, wash your hair and continue using it, okay? Use DT spray for 1 month. You're going to see a great change on your hair. Guys, I'm not joking. A trial will convince you. And while using DT spray, do not forget to moisturize your hair. Do not just apply DT spray and you will not moisturize your hair. DT spray will not last on your hair. The water tea spray based spray will not last on your hair. But once you use your butter or your leave-in condition to see in the moisture, you're going to allow DT spray to sit on your hair for a very long period of time. But if you just spray DT spray on your hair without you using your leave-in condition or your butter to hold DT spray not to go out of your hair, definitely after applying it on your hair, in less than 1 hour, 2 hours, DT spray is out of your hair. It have dry out of your hair. So for you to leave, for DT spray to sit very long period of time on your hair and do that magic, that one that is supposed to do on your hair, moisturize the hair. After moisturizing the hair, use your oil, any of your hair growth oil, to see in the moisture. With this step, DT spray is going to last on your hair and do what it's supposed to do on your hair, okay? So like as I said, you can use it 3 times in a week, okay? And if you always wash your hair once in a week, after the 3 times in a week, wash your hair. And if you always wash your hair in once in 2 weeks, so after using it 6 times in 2 weeks, wash your hair. I hope I'm making sense. You can also use it as a final thin rinse, okay? But after using it as a final thin rinse, follow up with your moisturizer. Do not wash it out. Like as I said, for you to see the best benefit of DT spray, you don't need to wash DT spray out. DT spray will help to thicken up your hair, grow your hair very faster. A trial will convince you. Do not let down on the ingredient. The ingredients, they are very simple, but they are very potent and powerful, okay? If you don't have fresh moringa leaf, you can make use of powder or dry moringa leaf. But if you can reach your hand on fresh moringa leaf, it will be more better because fresh moringa leaf is more potent than powder and dry one, okay? But if you cannot have access to them, use the one that you have, okay? I hope you find this video very helpful. Please, if you have not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so that to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Join this beautiful family. Believe me, you're not going to regret it. In this channel, I teach how to grow your hair with home remedy DIYs. Grow your hair longer, fuller, and stronger, okay? So please join this beautiful family. Welcome to the family. If you have not liked this video, please help me to click on that like button. It really helps the growth of the channel. It helps YouTube to put this video to more audience. And also please help me to share this video to your loved ones, to your family and friends, so that they can get the good benefits of this tea spray, okay? Share this video to any of social platform, okay, so that you can help a lot of people out there to grow their hair in this 2025. Please do not forget to give yourself a gentle scalp massage and always tuck your hair away. Let me know your thoughts in comment section below. Have you tried DT spray? Please try DT spray and let me know in comment section below when you try it and your results, okay? So we have come to end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God loves you more. Remain blessed out there. See you guys on my next video. Bye.